Ameri-Kart and Elkhart Plastics are growing companies that provide job security, benefits, competitive wages, and exciting career opportunities. With different positions available across our locations, we offer training to support you along whatever career path you choose. We provide our dedicated, hard-working team members with a high-quality compensation package that includes a variety of benefits. Ameri-Kart and Elkhart Plastics, now combined under Myers Industries, represent the 5th largest rotomolding business in the U.S. We are proud to provide a true family atmosphere where some of our team members have been with us for over 30 years. What sets us apart is our culture, centered around our core belief system that focuses on quality, innovation, and providing outstanding customer service in every interaction. Learn more about our open opportunities by visiting the career section of our websites. We can't wait to welcome you to the team.